In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your archived Gmails. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, if you're watching this video, chances are that you archived a Gmail and you are not able to find it anymore. There's actually a small little trick that helps you find your archived videos because as you can see, whenever we click right here and more, we do not see archived anywhere, but I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is click on all mail. Now this is going to take us to every single email that we have received from our Google account. Then what we're going to do in case we're not seeing the Gmail that we're looking for is we're going to select this little advanced search button. And in here, what we're going to do is select doesn't have, and we're going to type in label 2 dots inbox. Size and the date, it doesn't really matter. You can do it in case it's a very specific email and it's a specific date. But the important part here is to include under search to select all email and then simply go ahead and click on search. And as you can see, you guys, now I'm able to see all those emails that I archived. And that's it. I hope this video helped you and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.